Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. It is morning on my end. So this video will just cross into midday Nigerian time. Here's a walkthrough of what's happening in the market today. I usually start this video a few minutes before 12 because it needs to hit by 12:30, it needs to be out, and so I need to get it done by 12, maybe 12:05, 10:10. And so let's get right into it. Let's start with what's happening in terms of gainers and losers. On the gaining side of things, Ikeja Hotel up 10%, CNIF up 10%. That's an infrastructure fund. I think it's a Coronation Infrastructure Fund. NCR still pushing up 9.96%. I wasn't expecting this. Tantalizers up 9.81%. Last time I checked, Tantalizers was on full bid, not a single share available for sale. To the losing end of things, Deja Vu stocks firmly in play. Total Energies Nigeria down 10%, Geregu down 10%, Transpower down 9.97%, Better Glass down 9.97%, Julie, a stranger on this side. Been a while I saw Julie pop up any side of the charts. Julie down 9.93%. To the volume side of things, ASO Savings, let's just refresh this a bit. ASO Savings with 14.1 million shares traded so far. Lasaco, 9.8 million shares traded so far. Linkage Assurance with 6.3 million shares traded so far. Seplat leading in terms of value, 492 million naira worth of Seplat shares traded so far. GTCO distant second, 312 million shares traded so far. And then you have Aradel, oil and gas player. Seplat and Aradel are both in the oil and gas split. Aradel number 3 with 195 million naira worth of shares traded so far. So I'll take that part once more again. Seplat with 492 million naira worth of shares traded so far. GTCO 312.8 million naira worth of shares traded so far. Aradel 195.9 million naira worth of shares traded so far. Let's go look at some of the individual names, starting with the premium side of things. Assets down, slightly down. Assets is down by looking like 70 kobo. Current price 22 naira 30 kobo. Dangote Cement down by 1 naira. Let's hope it closes flat, because if it closes down, it's going to pull down the market. First holds go down by 40 kobo. Last price 30.45 naira. Seplat, I don't understand the Seplat weakness. Maybe let me see if I can just quickly dip to the UK and see what Seplat is doing at the moment. Seplat up 4.22%. I don't get it. Seplat is up in the UK and it's down in Nigeria. So what's behind the weakness? I mean, last week the stock was marked down, I believe, but I still don't get why Seplat is trading downwards here so far. Can we see how much has been traded in terms of volume so far in Seplat UK? What do we have? What do we have? Can I have enough time to do so? 3 minutes 13 seconds in. Okay, I think I can squeeze it to make this 7-minute video, and then we'll upload what's traded so far. 263,000 shares traded so far. Am I right? Today is what, 17th? I'm not seeing the volumes. Where are the volumes? I will assume that the volume traded so far is what, 263,000 Seplat shares. Today is what, 1711. Can I scroll down? What's the volumes? Volumes 1711. Okay, let's start from. I didn't plan to do this, but as well start 3 funny volumes. 6. Okay, so I think I'll be right in saying that so far I'm seeing definitely over 100,000 shares have traded so far. So yeah, this 263 maybe today's volume. Let's go back to this as well. So Seplat red in Nigeria, green in London. Zenith Bank, it's what's happening. Access Corporation, large chunks of volume there. But let's go look at some of the other names. Aradel in the green, up 1 naira 50 kobo. Last price 709.5. CAP, wow. CAP 65.95. Interesting. I wish I had the cash. I've been waiting for so long for this. CHP 66 naira offer, 65.75 bid. I have been waiting for this since forever. Lord, why don't I have the cash? Oh, Okay, well, let's hope he stays there this week. Is that being selfish? Yes, selfishness is allowed, very much allowed. 1539 naira. FCMB 10.4. ETI 33.85. Let's see Guinness. I'm watching Guinness. Guinness 165 naira bid price, 167.4 offer price. That is what we have for Guinness. Len Africa back above 6 naira a share. Let's see what we'll have. Bid price 5.80s, offer price 6.39. Mayan Baker 17.45. NACO 106. NACO in the red. Will it close there? Volumes traded so far 79,000 shares. 106 bid, 107 offered. So head or tails, very likely if you have a significant bulk share, NACO is going to close there. Let's see GTCO. I don't think I looked at GTCO so far today. GTCO looking flat so far. That's what we have for GTCO. NEM 27.35, slightly in the red. Press Red Star. Can I have Red Star sub? It's 9 naira. That would be so nice for me. Some of the stocks I'm interested in buying. Bid price 9 naira Red Star, offer price 9.1. Bid offer volumes total is almost slightly higher bid volume. So let's see where the stock closes at. What do we have? Sky Aviation 80.4. Trans Express 1.96. I don't understand. In fact, I need more guidance. I need to go fish out the rights issue prospectus for that stock. UAC on my radar. Analyst call coming up later today. 59 naira bid, 59.5 offered. So that's pretty much about it, ladies and gentlemen. I would end in a bit. 83 naira 10 kobo bid price, Vitaform offer price 85. Let's see where it will close today. 163,000 shares traded so far. So, and then we'll come to the, I've done premium. Let's look at growth. Let's see where Micure is. 24.95. Okay, not bad. I think if I recall correctly in the videos, one of the the audio episode I did on Micure, I think Micure at 24.25. I mean, Micure at this 24 naira 95 kobo. That's not a bad price point. For this stock. Let's see if it will close there. I doubt it will close there. 74,600 shares traded so far. Tip in the green. Tip so far managing to stay above its rights issue and public offer price respectively. So that's good to see for Tip. That's pretty much about it, ladies and gentlemen. How many minutes am I in? 7 minutes 52 seconds in. That's good. Let's see where we close out market day. And have a good day ahead, rest of the day ahead, and stay safe.